Hello friends, my name is Miss Kimberly. I am with the Weatherford Head Start Center, and with it being spring, we are getting lots of rain, so I wanted to read a book about rain to you today. It is called Rain Feet by Angela Johnson, illustrated by Rhonda Mitchell, and was my daughter's favorite book when she was little. Plop on the steps, splash on the streets, jumping, hopping, all in yellow, through puddles with rain feet. Look how happy he is in the puddles. Thank you for joining me for a story today. We miss you all, and we can't wait to see you guys soon.